Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, I teach you question answers on the reading text Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. This reading text is from Unit 2.1 Reading Comprehension of English Class 9 New Course. I have made some questions from this reading text. These questions are: question number 1. How has information about the life of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai been collected? The answer of this question is: it has mostly been collected from oral traditions. Question number 2. Who collected details about the early life of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai? The answer of this question is: Mirza Khalij Beg collected it. Question number 3. Who was Mirza Khalij Beg? The answer of this question is: he was a renowned Pakistani scholar, educationist, and writer of plays, dramas, and stories. Question number 4. What do you know about the ancestors of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai? The answer of this question is: some historians say that his ancestors were from Matiaru in Afghanistan, and some say they were from Herat in Afghanistan. Question number 5. Who was the first teacher of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai? The answer of this question is: Akhund Nur Muhammad Bhatti was his first teacher. Question number 6. When and with whom did Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai marry? The answer of this question is: in 1713 AD, he married with Saida Begum. Question number 7. Which languages did Shah Latif know? The answer of this question is: he knew Arabic, Persian, and Sindhi languages. Dear students, when you will read the reading text of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai in this book, English Class 9, New Course. This is the reading text of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. I have made some questions from this text. You can make your own questions and answers after reading this text. There can be other questions also. Suppose, what do you know about early life and education of Shah Abdul Latif? This is third aspect of his life. Read it. This is the answer of this question. What do you know about his youth? This is the fourth aspect of his life. There can be other questions also. In this way, I advise you, please read this text again and again very carefully and make your own questions and answers on this reading text. Thank you very much.